We just got going on the trail. And then this rock, look at this, guys, my diff. I cracked the diff. It smacked super hard. Damn it. We were having so much fun in that first 2.6 kilometers.
Yeah. Nobody was out there. Nice, good trail, wasn't very dusty.
No, it's perfect.
Temperature was good.
Whoa!
Yeah, get it right open.
Yeah.
Like a wound, open the wound up.
Yeah. And then I'll probably have to do like this one will be tough.
Because it's in the hole.
Yeah, I'll have to do a cleaning pass or two, which is like
Just with heat.
yeah, and I'll probably have to do like a weld and a grind maybe first, because it'll probably pick up some oil. And then if it does, then you'll end up with porosity, which will leak through anyway, right? And it just keeps filling from the other side.
They're gonna blame it on the guy that cleaned the transmission, apparently.
Well, you can only do so much, but yeah, we'll definitely put it that way.
I sprayed and sprayed the
Of course, but,
TSP.
like, until you flip it over 4 times and like cleaning it, like, you know,
Every year would have to be perfectly clean.
exactly. I think you're better off cleaning that out with Dremel.
You're talking about the bottom one right here, right?
Yeah, Dremel it out and leave you space to JB Weld it, to be
Yeah.
honest, because if I'm just gonna keep sucking oil into it, and the second that happens, it's unweldable.
Do the finishing touches on the JB Weld and get on the trail, right, Kev?
Get it running for you.
So I got to get epoxy all around here and over top and all through here, all through the seam, follow the whole seam. So anyways, let's get on the JB Weld. There's Acme Moto. And here, yeah, I'll do a couple layers of JB Weld, and I got a third one for storage for later. Mix equal parts or tube onto a disposable. Apply an appropriate tool, even weld, sets in 4 to 6 hours. So I don't have to rush or anything. Let's take a look at my JB Weld. Oh, good morning everybody. It's another day, Tuesday. I think it's June 20th. And here's our RV truck camper, and there is RYzen. Looking a little different today on his side. Kind of neat. I got them all braced up, nice and safe, so I can do. Now I'm gonna finish cleaning and epoxy around the weld, because of the gasket sealant would be burned out of there, and I don't want to pull the tranny out and do all that. I just want to get riding. So yeah, there you have it. Let's go take a little look. I just jacked it right up as high as I could using blocks and stuff, and then I tied the rope and loosened it up enough, and then we just pushed it until it's over the tipping point. And then those are just really extra safety things, not necessary, but I want to be super safe, of course. And I got this guy as well for RVs pinned up on the frame there. So here you have it. Now, so obviously we didn't want to weld the cases together, but so I got to get epoxy all around here and over top and all through here, all through the seam, follow the whole seam. And on its side now, the oil won't be seeping out of the gears, which will be nice. It'd be nice to get this thing pulled down if I could be, but that's for another day, I guess. Yeah. And the good thing I'm not popping a bead. Got the bead locks working hard. Here you have it. All right. So anyways, let's get on the JB Weld. There's Acme Moto. And here, yeah, I'll do a couple layers of JB Weld, and I got a third one for storage for later. And I'm not using these things because for my research, the JB Weld 24-hour cure is the way to go. These 5-minute epoxies are just garbage, essentially, if you watch some comparison videos. So yeah, let's hit it. Peace. Okay, I'm ready to attack it with JB Weld. I scratched the shit out of everything, got all the dirt out. I noticed there was a slight crack up in that top section, and then of course there, and then of course the bottom. So yeah, let's hit it. Keep it tight, one layer. Here's the JB Weld original, which is the best option. A long cure, and just clean Tupperware, clean little mixer device, and we're just gonna squeeze these whole tube on there. equal parts. Pinch it through. What is equal parts there, like that? Wow, fuck, we might as well use the whole damn tube. Then we'll have equal parts for sure. The big job, probably. Alright, let's stir it up. And it says, mix equal parts or tube onto a disposable, apply an appropriate tool, even weld, sets in 4 to 6 hours. So I don't have to rush or anything. Alright, that's it. Maybe I'll need a little smaller tool actually now that I think of it. So yeah, we'll come back to you guys here. Bam. And we are back. Let's take a look at my JB Weld. Now I'm gonna let that cure for 24 hours. I'll leave the machine sideways like this overnight. Yeah, you can see I followed the whole split case area in case the gasket maker's burned out from welding. And yeah, I got all in there, all in there. So yeah, I hope it holds. I was thinking actually, maybe a little below, try to get it in the position better, deeper.
All right, you ready? Flip it back over.
Yeah, that's right. We got that tranny repaired.
The tranny's repaired. Here we go. Boom.
It wasn't really
So dramatic.
It's really pretty soft landing actually. I figured it would be a harder hit, but no. Just a little squeaky.
That's what I told you. It wouldn't even have been a problem if it would have
Fallen back on it.
when we were trying to put it up.
Yeah, but not if it fell on his jack.
No, not if it was on us. Yeah.
Or no, on us or a jack instead.
Yeah.
But anyways, so we're gonna add some AMSOIL transmission fluid, and yeah, maybe I'll take it for a little spinsy.
Might as well.
I'm on
Better
there.
off for it to leak and fall apart here than.
Okay, so here's the leftover. I just skipped ahead. We put the AMSOIL ATV transmission differential oil. You can see I got a bunch of AMSOIL stuff. Anyways, what Q?
I don't see any oil leaking yet.
No. Oh yeah, so it's all full of almost 2 quarts. We're good to go. So I guess I'll go rip around the property.
Yeah.
It's too hot for a helmet though. I'm just gonna go slow.
That's going fine. That's
Nope.
what I did the other day.
No complaints, people.
And it was easily 10 degrees cooler.
I'm gonna have to charge my battery.
Put your winch line in.
Oh yeah, good idea. You want to pull it out for me? Yeah, that would be terrible.
Well, you just gotta stand here and just pull it in. All right, guys. Here comes Marcel Irnie, 2018 RS1. First jump on the new jump. Whoa!
Okay, so I just took a 1 2-minute boot. Let's get under there and see what's going on. Totally dry. Nothing. No oil do. No residue. Good to go, guys. Good to go so far. That was intense, guys. Oh, don't flip though. This is fine. Oh, outside, inside. I don't even know what the next jump is. It's a tabletop. Here we go, guys. Oh! RYzen RS1. Cleaned up a bit now. Get the plastic shine going down. No leak. Took it for a second test drive. This was a rally style on the water wheel ring. Jump in it and stuff. Yeah, so we're good to go. Going back into the storage bin till the next full ride, guys. Anyways, I am Marcel Irnie. That's the cracked transmission. Welded it with my buddy Kevin. Followed up by JB Weld by myself. Thanks for watching. It's June 2021. Peace. Update. Okay, the JB Weld and the oil have sat for a few weeks now, and I only had the slightest of drippage. Essentially, like one drop every week was coming off of the bottom, like right there. I think it's because it is coming from that bolt hole right there, and then maybe at the back where I didn't go further enough. So just a couple drops, right? Not that, but just the little drops. And to fix the skid plate, I epoxied or glued down a steel plate because it was all ripped up in there before, as you can see. So now we're gonna have some steel plate action, and repaired the thing with some zip ties as well, just to hold the plastic together. And that'll fit nicely, even with the front plate, will fit nicely underneath. The front plate will just go right in front of the whole system, and then the plate comes back. So if I had a plate in there initially, that might have helped a lot. Right, Q-Man?
Yeah.
That's right. We're glued in a plate.
All right.
Yeah. So the epoxy worked, or not the epoxy, but the silicone goo has done its job. Plate is drying in there nicely.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.